Hey everyone, and welcome to my video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. If you are new, I'm NaturalsBest, and I do lifestyle, natural hair, and much more on my channel. So hit that subscribe button so that you can join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Duvolle Radiance skincare system. So this skincare system is used to deeply cleanse. So you can cleanse your face with this, you can cleanse your body with it, and you can also exfoliate your feet. So it comes with two brushes for the face. One brush is used for exfoliating, the other one is used for cleaning. Well, they can both be used for cleaning. However, the brushes have a different amount of firmness to them. So one of the brushes is much softer than the other one. The soft brush I like to use to cleanse my face, and the firmer brush I like to use to exfoliate with. So I've been using this system for a little bit now. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that I'm on a skincare journey. As I've mentioned before, I'm not getting any younger, so I want to make sure that I cleanse my face, and I'm doing what I can to keep my face looking young and vibrant, right? I am going to open this up so that you can see what's in the package. Okay guys, so this is what the skincare system looks like. You do have to add 4 AA batteries to the skincare system to get it to work. It has an on and off switch right here. So this is the on, and when you click the on button, it starts to rotate the little spinner. So then it has the brush attachments that you can add to the attachment here. This is what the facial cleansing brush looks like, guys. I'm not sure, hopefully you can see it. So it's really cool, really neat. Yeah, so you add the brush to the attachment, you turn it on, and then you cleanse your face with it. It does come with a bigger brush. I believe this one's for your body, and then it comes with the exfoliating stone for your feet, or basically any hard spots. You can use them on your elbows, your calluses, your ankles, wherever you have hard spots, you can use this exfoliating stone. I am going to show you a clip of me cleansing my face with the skincare system, so I'll show you that, and then you can see how the skincare actually cleans your face. I did use a makeup remover prior to using the skincare system. There was still a whole lot of stuff that came out onto the brush, so you'll see that in my video. So guys, if you want to see that, continue watching the video. Here I'm just going to show you a step-by-step on how I cleanse my face. My cleansing routine is very basic. Here is the clip of me using the skincare system. Okay, so I start off by putting my hair up and out of the way. And now I'm just going to take a makeup remover wipe and remove my makeup. So now I'm going to use the Radiant Skincare System, and I have the cleansing brush attached here. That's what I'm going to be using first. So this brush feels nice and soft. It's gently cleansing my face. As you can see, there's definitely a lot of foundation on the brush, so I would say that this system is very deep cleaning and does cleanse your face pretty good. This is all of the dirt or foundation that came off onto the brush. So now I am going to take the exfoliating brush and add my cleanser to it. I'm just going to be using a Neutrogena Deep Clean cleanser. I'm going to add it right onto the brush. I want to take it and exfoliate my face with it. So I will say there is definitely a difference between the exfoliating brush and the cleansing brush. So this brush is a lot firmer and you can just really feel it against your face. It is rougher than the cleansing brush, so you can really feel it exfoliating. So as you can see, there is still foundation coming off onto the brush. Okay, so I have rinsed the face wash off of my face, and I'm just going to pat my face dry and apply some oil. Okay, so now that my face feels clean and soft, I'm going to go ahead and apply some oil to my face to finish off my skincare routine. Okay, that is it for my face. My last step is moisturizing my lips, and I either use Vaseline or chapstick, whatever I have on hand. So today I'll be using Vaseline. This has been a great added addition to my skincare routine. I am going to continue using this because it is great. I have not had the chance to use it on my body, but it does come with a bigger brush to use on your body, and like I said previously, it does come with an exfoliating stone. If you are interested in purchasing one of these, guys, I do have a discount code for you, and it's 70% off, guys, which means you would get this, I believe it's worth $95, and you would get it for $28.50, I want to say. And I will put all the details down in the description box below. I will also include the discount code in the description box below, guys. So if you are interested, make sure you use that discount code, because like I've said before, who doesn't want to save some money? So yeah, that's my review on the Duvolle Radiance skincare system. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the skincare system, let me know. I'd be happy to answer them down below. If you have any requests for any videos, make sure you leave that down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of your support. Make sure you like because it helps my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.